Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw something every single day. So today I'm going to show you how to draw another new Pokemon, and this one is called Smoliv. So I just think that's the cutest little name, and it's such a cute little Pokemon. And please let me know in the comments below what you would like to see next, what you would like to learn how to draw next. And also leave a like if you like Pokemon. All right, so I'm gonna start our drawing with, I'm gonna do a little leaf right here. Okay, so we've got one leaf done. Next, I'm gonna do the little like olive on top of the head. So we can do a circle. And on top of that, we can do a little shape like this. Like that for like the inside of the olive. And next we can do another leaf starting from right here. And we can come on back in right here. And now we can work on a little silly shape coming downward. And then it rounds out. And then it comes on back in. All right, so now we can do the face. Well, actually, no, let's do the body first. So I'm gonna do another leaf after, but I wanna do the body first. So let's come on down here. And over on this side, I'm gonna start sketching right here. And we can slowly bring down each side a little bit, making it a little bit wider as we're going. And a little itty bitty bit wider. And now we're going to start to kind of bring it in and give it a bottom here. But we need two little feet. So they're just like little soft triangles almost. Okay, like that. And we can do that other leaf now. You can see I didn't do it before because I wanted to have this part of the body done. Okay, so now we can do the super duper silly little mouth, which is kind of like a squiggly line. And a squiggly line up top. So, it's a bit of a funny little mouth. I'm just going to thicken it up. Okay, and now we can do the eyes, which are also kind of silly. So one circle here, and one circle on the other side. And I'm just going to kind of thicken up these circles, and the inside of the of this Pokemon's eyes are just like little white circles. So we can really thicken up these black circles here and leave the inside all white. I think this is just like the silliest little cute face. Okay, so now that we are finished drawing, I'm gonna get started with our coloring. All right, folks, we are finished our doodle for today. Let me know what you think, and please feel free to share this video with a Pokemon pal. And hopefully I will see you back here tomorrow for the next daily doodle. Goodbye, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.